Welcome to Cruising with Christ. My name is Pastor Ken. We got some good things going on today, and today we're going to replace the battery in my 2013 Dodge Charger. So let's go. Okay, and we're back. Okay, so with the 2013 Dodge Charger, there's a couple different ways that you can get into the car. Now, my car, the battery is dead. I got this car about a month ago, but the battery has never been changed in it, and it's a 2013. So it finally went out a couple days ago, so we're about to go and get it straightened out. Now, a couple of ways we can get into the car is this. This way is the button, and you cannot open it if the battery is dead. The other way is you can't open any of the doors. You can't get in the car at all. So the car has a key, so we're gonna get the key. All right, so on the key, on the key fob, there is an actual key to it. Press this button, and this other part comes out. As so, and this is your key to the car in case the battery goes dead, or you might have enough juice to just, so that could be a thing too. Now that we got in the car, you have your trunk release. It's still not enough juice for it to work, so we couldn't do anything with that. So the only alternative is to go into the back of the car, let the back seat down, and there is it's a little white trunk release that we have to pull to open the trunk. So let's do that right now. Okay, so it has a little tab right here that comes with a little hook, so you can hook it there and it'll be out of your way. And here's your battery. So all we got to do now is unbolt these bolts right here. And it's a strap around here that we got to take loose and get the old battery out and place the new battery in. Okay. If your car is like mine, because some people, change these things up, but if it's OEM like mine is, you need a 10mm socket for this to get this screw off. And once you get it off, you can kind of move it around and it'll pop right off like that. New battery installed. And again, all you need to do is take out that screw down there, the one right up here, that one there, and that right there. Alright, cleaned up my trunk, put everything back together. Now, let's start the car and see what it does. Alright, now we're back in the car. We're going to see if it starts. The good thing is, I was able to close the trunk and then I popped it back. So the battery is working. So that's a good sign. So let's see what it does. All right, no lights on. Everything's working. No lights on the dash. That's it. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that. And please hit the like and subscribe button so you can get all the latest content that we're doing on this channel. We thank everybody for coming in and checking us out. And of course, we have plenty more mods to do. So look out for that. And as always, stay cruising with Christ. Amen.